I didn't know liver can be this delicious till I started cooking it this way. Let me walk you through how you can make yours. The liver is perfectly clean. I will go ahead and season it. Add a lot of onion powder, some garlic powder, black pepper and white pepper, seasoning cube and a little bit of salt to taste, and add some scotch bonnet pepper. Go ahead and give everything a good mix. I'll cover it with plastic bag, set it aside and allow to marinate for a couple of minutes. You can marinate it for as long as you want. While that is marinating, I'll go ahead and prep my peppers. I'm making use of onion, yellow, green and red bell pepper. Alright. I want to use this opportunity to say a very big thank you to each and every one of you. Thank you for watching my video, for sharing, for commenting, for thumbs up. I do appreciate all of you guys. Back to the cooking. In a pan, I added some olive oil and allow to heat up slightly. Make use of any oil of your choice. Add some garlic paste as well and I go ahead and add the peppers. Once I add the pepper, I'll go ahead and stir it together until they are well combined. If you don't have all this paper, because right now they are quite expensive where I live, I don't know from other place, alright, but make use of any one that you have. If you have the yellow one or the green one, just cut it and go with it, alright. I believe in making use of what you have, alright. I went ahead and had some black pepper and white pepper and I will stir everything together again for about a minute or so and I will take it off the heat because I don't want the pepper to cook at all at all. I just want to try to infuse a little bit of flavor to the pepper, alright. In the same pan, go ahead and add some oil again. Do not wash the pan. If you wash it, you already wash all the flavor that you build in the pepper away, alright? So don't wash your pan, alright? Once you add the oil, go ahead and add the liver and give everything a quick stir until they are well combined. I covered the pot and allowed to cook for about 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I came back to check on it. I give it a quick stir. Once I stir it very well, I went ahead and add a little bit of water to heat and allow to cook. While it's cooking, I will top up the water if necessary. Cover the pan again and continue to cook until it's perfectly done. In an empty bowl, I added a tablespoon of cornstarch, add some water to it and I will mix it together. If you don't want your sauce to be very thick, do not make use of a tablespoon of cornstarch, alright? A teaspoon will do. But personally, I want my sauce to be a little bit thick, alright? That is why I make use of a tablespoon. Add some sweet chili sauce and I go ahead and add some soya sauce as well. I'm making use of light soya sauce, but make use of any sauce that you have at home. Mix everything together and set it aside. At this point, the liver is perfectly cooked, alright? I just go ahead and stir everything together. Once I stir it, I tasted for seasoning, everything was perfect. If you need to adjust your seasoning, go ahead and adjust your seasoning at this stage, alright? I went ahead and pour the sauce that we made earlier and I give it a quick stir. Once I stir it very well, I add a little bit of water to the bowl and I pour that as well. Once I pour it, I just stir everything together until they are well combined and I cover it again and allow everything to boil together for about 2 to 3 minutes, alright? You don't want to overcook it at this point because it's perfectly done, okay? You guys are my family. Now let me tell you something. I didn't know that liver is actually delicious until I was forced to be eating liver. I know that I'm supposed to be eating liver often because of my health, but I didn't eat it. I hate it with passion. You guys, I hate it so much, but I was forced to be eating liver. Since I was forced to be eating liver, I just find my way around it to cook it. And trust me, guys, since I came up with this recipe, you guys, it's absolutely delicious. I enjoy it so much. You guys, as you guys can see, I already had the pepper. Once I had the pepper, I give it a good stir, alright, and I allow it to simmer together for about a minute or so. And that is it, guys. I just go ahead and take it off the heat. Sometimes I pair it with rice. On this particular day, I pair it with rice. Sometimes I eat it with bread. Sometimes with spaghetti. Sometimes I eat it alone. And trust me, it's absolutely delicious. And I hope you guys like the recipe. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.